Computer abbreviations. A. AAC Advanced Audio Coding. AARP AppleTalk Address Resolution. Protocol. ADSL Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. ADT Abstract Data Type. ACE Advanced Encryption Standard. AI Artificial Intelligence. AJAX Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. ALGOL Algorithmic Language. ALU Arithmetic and Logical Unit. AMOLED Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. AM Amplitude Modulation. AMQP Advanced Message Queuing. Protocol. ANSI American National Standards. Institute. APCI Application Layer Protocol Control. Information. API Application Programming Interface. APIC Advanced Programmable Interrupt Controller. ARIN American Registry for Internet Numbers. ARP Address Resolution Protocol. ARPA Advanced Research Projects Agency. ARPANET Advanced Research Projects. Agency Network. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASIC Application Specific Integrated Circuit. ASP Active Server Pages. ATM Asynchronous Transfer Mode. ATM Automated Teller Machine. AVC Advanced Video Coding. AVI Audio Video Interleaved. B. BAL Basic Assembly Language. Basic Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCC Blind Carbon Copy. BCD Binary Coded Decimal. Beep Blocks Extensible Exchange Protocol. BGP Border Gateway Protocol. BIN Binary. BINAC Binary Automatic Computer. BIOS Basic Input-Output System. BJT Bipolar Junction Transistor, Bit Binary Digit. BOOTP Bootstrap Protocol. BPDU Bridge Protocol Data Unit. BPS Bits. BSOD Blue Screen of Death. Byte by 8 Group of 8 bits. C. CAD Computer Aided Design. K. Computer Aided Engineering. CAID Computer Aided Industrial Design. CAI Computer Aided Instruction. CAM Computer Aided Manufacturing. Capture Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. CAT Computer Aided Translation. CC Carbon Copy. CDFS Compact Disk File System. CDMA Code Division Multiple Access. CDP Continuous Data Protection. CDSA Common Data Security. Architecture. CFD Computational Fluid Dynamics. CGA Color Graphics Array. CGI Common Gateway Interface. CHAP Challenge Handshake. Authentication Protocol. CIFS Common Internet File System. CISC Complex Instruction Set Computer. CLI Command Line Interface. CMDB Configuration Management. Database. CMOS Complementary Metal Oxide. Semiconductor. COBOL Common Business Oriented Language. CPS Characters. CPU Central Processing Unit. CRC Cyclic Redundancy Check. CRT Cathode Ray Tube. CSP Cloud Service Provider. CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CT Computerized Tomography. CTCP Client-to-Client Protocol. D. DAC Digital to Analog Converter. DAL Database Abstraction Layer. DAO Data Access Object. DAP Directory Access Protocol. DARPA Defense Advanced Research. Projects Agency. DBMS Database Management System. DCCP Datagram Congestion Control Protocol. DCL Data Control Language. DDE Dynamic Data Exchange. DDL Data Definition Language. DDR Double Data Rate. DACE Data Encryption Standard. DFD Data Flow Diagram. DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHTML Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. DIVX Digital Video Express. DLL Dynamic Link Library. DMA Direct Memory Access. DML Data Manipulation Language. DNS domain name system. DOS denial of service. DOS disk operating system. DPI dots per inch DRAM dynamic random access. Memory. DSP digital signal processor. DTE data terminal equipment or data transfer rate. DTR data terminal ready or data transfer rate. DVD digital versatile disc or digital video disc. DVI digital visual interface. DVR digital video recorder. EAP extensible authentication protocol. EBCDIC extended binary coded decimal interchange code. ECOS embedded configurable operating system. EDA electronic design automation. Edge enhanced data rates for GSM. Evolution. EDI electronic data interchange. EDSAC electronic delay storage. Automatic calculator. EDVAC electronic discrete variable. Automatic computer. EEPROM electronically erasable. Programmable read-only memory. EGA Enhanced Graphics Array. Email Electronic Mail. EGP Exterior Gateway Protocol. EIGRP Enhanced Interior Gateway. Routing Protocol. ASA Extended Industry Standard. Architecture. ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrator. And Computer. EEPROM Erasable Programmable. Read-only Memory. Entity Relationship Model. EXT Extended File System. FAT File Allocation Table. FCB File Control Block. FDC Floppy Disk Controller. FDD Frequency Division Duplexing. FDDI Fiber Distributed Data Interface. FDM Frequency Division Multiplexing. FDMA Frequency Division Multiple Access. Fake Forward Error Correction. FEMB Front-End Motherboard. FET Field Effect Transistor. FHS File System Hierarchy Standard. FIFO First In First Out. FIPS Federal Information Processing Standards. FLAC Free Lossless Audio Codec. FLOPS Floating Point Operations per second. FMO Future Mode of Operation. Fortran Formula Translation. FOSI Formatted Output Specification. Instance. FOSS Free and Open Source Software. FPGA Field Programmable Gate Array. FPS Floating Point Systems. FPU Floating Point Unit. FRU Field Replaceable Unit. FSB Front Side Bus. FSF Free Software Foundation. FSM Finite State Machine. FTP File Transfer Protocol. FQDN Fully Qualified Domain Name. FXP File Exchange Protocol. G Flat Gigabit. GB Gigabyte. GBPS Gigabits. GCP Google Cloud Platform. GCR Group Coded Recording. GDI Graphics Device Interface. GIF Graphics Interchange Format. GIGO Garbage In, Garbage Out. GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMPS Great Internet Mersenne Prime. Search. GIS Geographic Information System. GML Geography Markup Language. GPFS General Parallel File System. GPGPU General Purpose Computing on Graphics Processing Units. GPIB General Purpose Instrumentation. Bus. GPL General Purpose Language. GPRS General Packet Radio Service. GPU Graphics Processing Unit. GRUB Grand Unified Bootloader. GERA GSM Edge Radio Access Network. GSM Global System for Mobile Communications. GUI Graphical User Interface. GUID Globally Unique Identifier. GWT Google Web Toolkit. HAL Hardware Abstraction Layer. HBA Host Bus Adapter. HCI human-computer interaction. HDD hard disk drive. HCL hardware compatibility list. HD DVD high definition DVD. HDL hardware description language. HDMI high definition multimedia interface. HECI host embedded controller interface. HF high frequency. HFS hierarchical file system. HHD hybrid hard drive. HID human interface device. HLASM high level assembler. HMA high memory area. HPC high performance computing. HPFS high performance file system. HSDPA high-speed downlink packet access. HTC high-throughput computing. HSM hierarchical storage management. HTM hierarchical temporal memory. HTML hypertext markup language. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS HTTP secure. HTX hypertransport expansion. HVD holographic versatile disk. HUZ EANA Internet assigned numbers. Authority. IaaS infrastructure as a service. IaaC infrastructure as code. IBC's Intel binary compatibility standard. IBM International Business Machines. IC Integrated Circuit. ICANN Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. iSense Circuit Emulator. ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. ICP Internet Cache Protocol. ICS Internet Connection Sharing. ICT Information and Communication Technology. IDE Integrated Development Environment. IDF Intermediate Data Format. IDL Interface Definition Language. ID's Intrusion Detection System. IEC International Electrotechnical Commission. IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IETF Internet Engineering Task Force. IFL Integrated Facility for Linux. IGMP Internet Group Management Protocol. IGRP Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. IHV Independent Hardware Vendor. IAOP Internet Interop Protocol. EAS Internet Information Services. IKE Internet Key Exchange. EAL Intermediate Language. IM Instant Message or Instant Messaging. IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol. IO Input Output. IP Internet Protocol. IPC Inter-Process Communication. IPL Initial Program Load. IPMI Intelligent Platform Management Interface. IPO Inter-Procedural Optimization. IPP Internet Printing Protocol. IPS Instructions per second. IPS Intrusion Prevention System. IPsec Internet Protocol Security. IPTV Internet Protocol Television. IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6. IPX Internetwork Packet Exchange. A Intermediate Representation, IRC Internet Relay Chat, IRDA Infrared Data Association, IRI Internationalized Resource Identifier. IRPIO Request Packet, IRQ Interrupt Request, ISA Industry Standard Architecture, ISDN Integrated Services Digital Network, ISO International Organization for Standardization, ISP Internet Service Provider, ISPF Interactive System Productivity Facility, ISR Interrupt Service Routine, ISV Independent Software Vendor. IT Information Technology, ITIL Information Technology, Infrastructure Library, ITU International Telecommunication Union, IVRS Interactive Voice Response System. J2EE Java 2 Enterprise Edition, JXB Java Architecture for XML Binding, JAX RPC Java XML for Remote Procedure Calls, JXP Java API for XML Processing. JCE Java Cryptography Extension, JCL Job Control Language, JCP Java Community Process, JDBC Java Database Connectivity, JDK Java Development Kit. G Java Enterprise Edition, JFET Junction Field Effect Transistor, JME Java Micro Edition, JMX Java Management Extensions, JMS Java Message Service. JNI Java Native Interface, JPEG Joint Photographic Experts Group, JRE Java Runtime Environment, JS JavaScript, JSE Java Standard Edition, JSON JavaScript Object Notation. JSP Java Server Pages, JTAG Joint Test Action Group, JVM Java Virtual Machine, KB Kilobit, KB Kilobyte, KBPS Kilobits, Khas Kilohertz. LACP Link Aggregation Control Protocol, LAN Local Area Network, LBA Logical Block Addressing, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LCR Least Cost Routing. LCOS liquid crystal on silicon. LDAP lightweight directory access. Protocol, LED light emitting diode. LFS Linux from scratch. LIFO last in first out. Lilo Linux Loader, Lip Loop Initialization Primitive, Lisp List Processing, LKML Linux Kernel Mailing List, LOC Lines of Code, LPI Lines per Inch. LPT Line Print Terminal, LSB Least Significant Bit, LSB Linux Standard Base, LSI Large Scale Integration, LTE Long Term Evolution, LTL Linear Temporal Logic. LUG Linux User Group, Loon Logical Unit Number, LV Logical Volume, LVD Low Voltage Differential, LVM Logical Volume Management, LGA Land Grid Array. MAC Media Access Control, MAN Metropolitan Area Network, MAPI Messaging Application, Programming Interface, MBCS Multi-Byte Character Set, MBR Master Boot Record. MUB Megabit, MB Megabyte, MUB Megabits, MCPC Multiple Channels per Carrier, MDF में Distribution Frame, MDI Multiple Document Interface. MDM Master Data Management, ME Microsoft Edge, MFM Modified Frequency Modulation, MGCP Media Gateway Control Protocol, MH Megahertz, MICR Magnetic Ink Character. Recognition or Magnetic Ink Character. Reader, MIDI Musical Instrument Digital, Interface, MIMD Multiple Instruction, Multiple Data, MIME Multipurpose Internet Mail. Extensions, MIMO Multiple Input Multiple Output, MIPS Microprocessor Without Interlocked Pipeline Stages, MIPS Million Instructions per Second, MISD Multiple Instruction, Single Data. MIS Management Information Systems, MMU Memory Management Unit, MMX Multimedia Extensions, MOP Metal Object Protocol, MOSFET Metal Oxide Semiconductor. Field Effect Transistor, MPEG Motion Pictures Experts Group, MSDN Microsoft Developer Network, MSN Microsoft Network, MTU Maximum Transmission Unit. MT Machine Translation, MWC Mobile World Congress, MXF Material Exchange Format, MX Mail Exchange, NAC Network Access Control, NAP Network Access Protection. NUT Network Address Translation, NCP Network or Protocol, NCSA National Center for Supercomputing Applications, NDIS Network Driver Interface, Specification. NetBIOS Network Basic Input-Output System, NFA Non-Deterministic Finite Automaton, NFS Network File System, NIC Network Interface Controller or Network Interface Card. NLE Nonlinear Editing System, NLP Natural Language Processing, NLS Native Language Support, NMI Non-Maskable Interrupt, NNTP Network News Transfer Protocol. NOS Network Operating System, NPU Network Processing Unit, NS Netscape, NSA Network Security Appliance, NSI Network Service Interface, NTP Network Time Protocol. NVR Network Video Recorder, NVRAM Non-Volatile Random Access, Memory, OASIS Organization for the Advancement of Structured Information, Standards. OT operational acceptance testing, ODBC open database connectivity, OAS open enterprise server, OFDM orthogonal frequency division, multiplexing. OFTC open and free technology, community, OLAP online analytical processing, OLE object linking and embedding, OLED organic light emitting diode, OLTP online transaction processing. OMF Object Module Format, OMG Object Management Group, OEMR Optical Mark Reader, OOP Object Oriented Programming, OPML Outline Processor Markup, Language. OSDN Open Source Development Network, OSTG Open Source Technology Group, OTP One-Time Password, P, PaaS Platform as a Service, PAN Personal Area Network. PAP Password Authentication Protocol, PCB Printed Circuit Board, PCB Process Control Block, PCI Peripheral Component Interconnect, PCL Printer Command Language. PCL Printer Command, PCL Printer Command Language, PCM Pulse Code Modulation, PDA Personal Digital Assistant, PDF Portable Document Format, PDP Programmed Data Processor. Perl Practical Extraction and Reporting. Language, PG Peripheral Gateway, PGA Ping Grid Array, PGA Programmable Gate Array, PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. PIC Peripheral Interface Controller, PIC Programmable Interrupt Controller, PLC Programmable Logic Controller, PLD Programmable Logic Device, PLT Power Line Telecommunications. PNG Portable Network Graphics. PPI Pixels per inch PPP point-to-point protocol. PROM Programmable Read-Only. Memory. PSTN Public Switched Telephone. Network. PSU Power Supply Unit. PVR Personal Video Recorder. PXE Preboot Execution Environment. PRC Procedure Remote Call. QDR Quad Data Rate. Course Quality of Service. QTAM Queued Teleprocessing Access. Method. QSOP Quarter Small Outline Package. RAD Rapid Application Development. Radius Remote Authentication Dial-In. User Service. RAID Redundant Array of Independent Disks. RAM Random Access Memory. RARP Reverse Address Resolution. Protocol. RES Remote Access Service. RDBMS Relational Database Management System. RDC Remote Desktop Connection. RDM Relational Data Model. RDOS Real-Time Disk Operating System. RDP Remote Desktop Protocol. RDS Remote Data Services. RFI Radio Frequency Interference. RFID Radio Frequency Identification. RIP Routing Information Protocol. RISC Reduced Instruction Set Computer. RIP Routing Information Protocol. RISC Reduced Instruction Set Computer. ROM Read-Only Memory. RPC Remote Procedure Call. RTEMS Real-Time Executive for ROM read-only memory, RPC remote procedure call, RTEMS real-time executive for multiprocessor systems, RTMP real-time messaging protocol, RTOS real-time operating system. RTOS real-time operating system, RTP real-time transport protocol, RTSP real-time streaming protocol, RTTI runtime type information, RWD responsive web design. RWD responsive web design. SCPI standard commands for programmable instrumentation, SCSI small computer system interface, SCTP stream control transmission. SDDL security descriptor definition. Language, SDI single document interface, SDIO secure digital input output, SDL simple direct media layer, SDN service delivery network. SDP session description protocol, SDR software defined radio, SDRAM synchronous dynamic random access memory, SFTP simple file transfer protocol. Radio, SDRAM synchronous dynamic random access memory, SFTP simple file transfer protocol, SHDSL single pair high speed digital. Subscriber line, SIMD single instruction, multiple data. SIM subscriber identification module, SIP session initiation protocol, SISD single instruction, single data. SISO single input and single output. SLIP serial line internet protocol, SMPS switch mode power supply, SMTP simple mail transfer protocol, SNMP simple network management. Protocol, SNTP simple network time protocol, SOI silicon on insulator, SPI serial peripheral interface, SQL structured query language, SRAM static random access memory. SSD solid state drive, SSDP simple service discovery protocol, SSH secure shell, SSL secure socket layer, SSTP secure socket tunneling protocol. SVG Scalable Vector Graphics, SVGA Super Video Graphics Array, TAPI Telephony Application, Programming Interface, TB Terabyte, TCP Transmission Control Protocol. TCP IP Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol, TCU Telecommunication Control Unit, TDMA Time Division Multiple Access, TFT Thin Film Transistor. Access. TFT Thin Film Transistor. TFTP Trivial File Transfer Protocol. TIFF Tagged Image File Format. TLD Top Level Domain. TLS Transport Layer Security. TNC Terminal Node Controller. TPM Trusted Platform Module. TSO Time Sharing Option. TTL Transistor Logic. UAC User Account Control. UART Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. UCS Universal Character Set. UDP User Datagram Protocol. UEFI Unified Extensible Firmware. Receiver Transmitter. UCS Universal Character Set. UDP User Datagram Protocol. UEFI Unified Extensible Firmware. Interface. UHF Ultra High Frequency. ULA Uncommitted Logic Array. ULSI Ultra Large Scale Integration. UML Unified Modeling Language. UMPC Ultra Mobile Personal Computer. UMTS Universal Mobile. UMTS Universal Mobile Telecommunications System. UNIVAC Universal Automatic Computer. UPS Uninterruptible Power Supply or Uninterrupted Power Supply. URI Uniform Resource Identifier. URL Uniform Resource Locator. URN Uniform Resource Name. USB Universal Serial Bus. UTF Unicode Transformation Format. UTRIN Universal Terrestrial Radio. Access Network. UUID Universally Unique Identifier. UUN Universal Username. UVC Universal Virtual Computer. UWP Universal Windows Platform. UUN Universal Username. UVC Universal Virtual Computer. UWP Universal Windows Platform. Volt Voice over Long-Term Evolution. VAX Virtual Address Extension. Volt Voice over Long-Term Evolution. VAX Virtual Address Extension. VCPI Virtual Control Program Interface. VB Visual Basic. VBA Visual Basic for Applications. VDU Visual Display Unit. VDSL very high bitrate digital. Subscriber line. VGA video graphics array. VHF very high frequency. Virus vital information resource under. Siege. VLAN virtual local area network. VLSM variable length subnet mask. VLSI very large scale integration. VMM virtual machine monitor. VNC virtual network computing. VoD video on demand. VoIP voice over internet protocol. VPN virtual private network. VPS virtual private server. VR virtual reality. VSAM virtual storage access method. VSAT very small aperture terminal. VTL virtual tape library. VTAM virtual telecommunications. Access method. VRAM video random access memory. W3C World Wide Web Consortium. Access method. VRAM video random access memory. W3C World Wide Web Consortium. WAFS Wide Area File Services. WAIS Wide Area Information Server. WAN Wide Area Network. WAP Wireless Application Protocol. WDM Wavelength Division Multiplexing. Wi-Fi Wireless Fidelity. WLAN Wireless Local Area Network. WMA Windows Media Audio. WMV Windows Media Video. Worm Write Once Read Many. WPAD Web Proxy Auto Discovery Protocol. WPAN Wireless Personal Area Network. WUSB Wireless Universal Serial Bus. WWAN Wireless Wide Area Network. WWID Worldwide Identifier. WWW World Wide Web. WZC Wireless Zero Configuration. XAML Extensible Application Markup. Language. XDMCP X Display Manager Control. Protocol. XHTML Extensible Hypertext Markup. Language. XML Extensible Markup Language. XMPP Extensible Messaging and Markup Language. XMPP Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol. XNS Xerox Network Systems. XSL Extensible Stylesheet Language. XUL XML User Interface Language. XVGA Extended Video Graphics Adapter. YADO-K Year 2000. YACC Yet Another Compiler. YAML Int Markup Language. ZCS Zero Code Suppression. ZIFS Zero Insertion Force Socket. Zip File Archive. ZISC Zero Instruction Set Computer. ZMA Zone Multicast Address. ZPL Z Level Programming Language.